Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? Today's product makes an absolutely great gift for basically any avid chess player, or even if you like checkers, because it is a really nice solid wood chess set. Absolutely love this thing. So this was sent over by a company called Peradix. It's gonna come in this little box right here. Obviously it's gonna come with a little manual that tells you about it, and basically tells you all the pieces here. Very easy, you can flip through, gives you kind of some different reminder instructions if you've never played chess before. But then as you can see, here is the set. It is very nice antique looking design to it. Very great as far as wishing to display it. It looks absolutely great. Now there is two drawers on either side of it. You can simply open that up. That's where all the pieces go ahead and sit when you're not utilizing it. So this does make it nice if you want to bring this with traveling. As you can see, I have the chess set up here. It does include a spare queen. So if you do go ahead and get to the other side, you get another queen. They do have another one of these in here. Now another nice thing about the chess pieces themselves is they do have a slight magneticness to them, so they're not going to slide around. If you bump it or anything like that, they're not going to fall out of position. They're going to stay upright, which is a feature I like. And then you're going to notice you're going to have all the little wood checkers pieces themselves. These do not have magnetics in them, but obviously they're a lot smaller, so you don't have to worry about tipping over, only if you bump it. Now to give you an idea of the size of the chess set itself, it is essentially square at 12.5 by 12.5, and as far as thickness, it's about 2.25 inches in height. The whole bottom of it has a non-slip surface, so it's not going to slide around if you're sitting there playing on a table or something like that. And like I said, because of the drawers, it makes it great for travel if you want to take this to a park and bring along with you. But very, very easy, looks absolutely great. Absolutely love the feature of it. So if you are in the market and you are looking for a great chess set, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.